Can you believe that SoFi stock tricked me? Look at my chart right now. We had an idea going into the market in in SoFi, right? Looking for price to go down. And soon after I did the price prediction, soon after I did the video, look what happened to the price. The market tricked me. It fooled me into thinking that the market's going to continue to go lower. Now, guess what? These things happen. Yes, you're not going to get every forecast, every price prediction correct. No, you're not. And here's an example of that happening. So yes, this prediction that I produced in SoFi did not go the way I expected it, which was on September the 6th, September the 7th, give or take. It didn't work out. Instead, the market in SoFi currently, given the price action, given the history, it still wants to go up. So now, what shall we do? Well, we're going to get rid of this price prediction and anticipate where price is trying to go now. We got more information now than what we did back in September the 6th. So let's get rid of this price prediction here in SoFi. 15.29% down right there. If we were to get on the close of yesterday, that would be what? 13%. All right, so now, before I get started in this updated idea as to what I think SoFi is about to do next, hit me up, join me, hit the like button, and also subscribe for more of my content, because I'm not here to give you a whole lot of fear, FUD, hype. No, I want us to learn how we can walk in the stock market rather than trying to run. How we can be more proficient, efficient at understanding what is about to go down in these stocks, because we want to be on the right side, right? Being on the right side of these stocks allows us to accumulate and profit more often than not. So hit me up. Now, let's talk about the price in SoFi real quick. Okay, now, one thing that we have talked about numerous times about this stock is how many times this stock has been unable to break this sell zone. Now, I don't know if it's the CEO of SoFi who every time price runs to around $8, this man opens up his account and he says, cool, let me sell some more of my stock. I don't know. But looking at the chart visually, we can see somebody has a whole lot of SoFi. And every time that stock runs to $8, they hitting that sell button because price goes down. The good part is that as price do go down, there's more people down around $7, $6.50, $6 who's saying, cool, now let me open up my wallet and hit the buy button. Let me open up my accounts and hit that buy button, because this market in SoFi is making higher lows. So that is telling us that against these two warring factions, that buyers currently have a slight edge. Okay. Now let's look at SoFi on the weekly chart. So let's not go crazy. Like, let's pull this thing back. Let's not hype up SoFi, because when you look at the current price history, this is a very discombobulated, confused, disoriented price chart, because the market's not really doing nothing. Look at this. This is ridiculous. It's been trading within $6 to $8.50 ever since March of this year. That's it. That's it. We're not trending higher. The market's not trending lower. It's just been trading. Now, what does it mean then if the market is just simply trading within a range? The market is building up its next cause, i.e., whether it's going to break out or break down. It's trying to figure that out. Whenever a market is consolidating, that is what it is trying to do. It's trying to figure out, okay, do I need to accumulate more of this stock while the stock is cheap, because I know in the next 6 months the market's gonna be a lot higher than where it is now? Or it could be vice versa. Let me go ahead and sell all of my position out in SoFi, because I know in the next 6 months the stock is gonna go down. This is what I'm thinking the market in SoFi is trying to do. Here it is on the 2 weeks. Now, from a 2-weekly perspective, when you see how the market has been holding this buy zone, and then the next 2 weeks the market went up, Cool. Buyers won. Then you look at the next 2 weeks. The market came down, but then on the last 2 weeks, the market went right back up. Cool. The market is speaking. It's telling us that the buyers currently are controlling the price. Our only issue is this measly sell zone. Whoever is this person selling at $8, they need to get out the way so that this stock can finally go up. That is what it wants to do. The market wants to go up in Sofi, but there's somebody who is impacting and is not allowing it to go down. I don't know why, but somebody is hitting this market and they need to get out the way. Here is Sofi on the 5 weeks. The 5 week looks very, very good in terms of looking for higher prices. Okay. You don't see our chart where we get a whole lot of our signals pop. We got one just on this prior 5 weeks. What about on the monthly chart? These monthly price bar, this one from August and even the current one, is showing us that people are buying the stock. It's showing us that people want to buy the stock, even on the 5 weeks. What about on the 5 day? There go that person again on this current 5 day bar. They're hitting that sell zone again. What about the 4? Same thing. It looked like we may even get tricked again because I'm predicting that the market in Sofi wants to go up, but the market is coming right back down. This is crazy. Here it's on the 2. Sofi on the daily 330-minute chart. Let's look at this. So these would be the areas that I don't want to see the market in Sofi break below. This one and this one. Okay, so we're gonna try it again. We're gonna anticipate that Sofi wants to go up, right? Now, since the market is making higher lows, right, we're going to increase our next expectation. If the market continues to go down, we don't want to see it break this level. If it does, the next logical point would be for the market to try to bounce at that next low, which is down here at the low from the 10th of September. Okay. So now, outside of us seeing the market hit the high right here, that's going to be our first target. That is 7.58%. Our second target is going to be all the way up here at this next sell zone, which is around 15, almost 16% move higher. Okay. So we may have to put this down there. We'll do that. And let me put this up here for a visual. Now, we're going to see what happens and see if I'm going to get tricked again in Sofi. This is what I'm seeing right now, though. So I'm absolutely finished. You guys can drop your idea in the comment section if you want. If not, let's just kick back and see how the price action works. And if anything changes again, like I said, we'll just come back in and reevaluate the situation. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.